Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's a great Friday, right here. You know what I'm saying? So joining us on this amazing show, this amazing time, we have actors Shola Collins and Colin Lamont.
That's right. Don't forget that, right?
Total correct. Yes. Shola Collins with an S. Take off the S and an L, and they have Colin Lamont. And they're here to tell us about season 2 of TVJ's own Sizzaz Kut. But before we get into the convo, let's take a look at the trailer. Season 2.
You can't left on the crowd back in here look a box down a dump.
Speaking of box, hey, nobody start them up, you know. Oh, Stacey, you come back.
Hey, all me know, if your brother's supposed to stay far now, feel the box there.
Then Stacey and got some meaty again. Hey, me feel bad for Carrie when she hold up the jawbone, you know. No, I'm a joke.
Radam. Hey, goody, hold on on the jaw like every filling drop out of the teeth, you know. Come on, Good morning.
Yo, stop. No, even bother with it. Don't. This is not season 1, 2, nor 3.
All right. So you're the boss of the whole thing in terms of the show, right? But sometimes you see it, and I know of people who they see the promo for season 2, and they're like, "But me never watched season 1." So could you give us like a synopsis of season 1 first before we get into season 2?
Okay. Just like any other movie or show, you have different storylines going on at the same time. It really is about this young lady who starts her salon with a lot of characters, and characters are really what they are. They're a bunch of crazy people.
The characters or the actual?
I'm telling you.
The actual persons who play the character.
All of the above.
The characters, well, all of the above, but the characters. You have the Letty who has a relationship with the politician of the community. You have Chrissy, who's just in everybody's story, and everybody wants to know who Chrissy is. She's the mystery of the salon, right? Yeah. And she's just this wonderful character. Then you have Kerry, who is in between the relationship of her best friend growing up, who is Prep, as well as her best friend now, Stacey. So all the different dramas are coming out in a nice little way.
Yes, you get the conflict, you get a lot of comedy. Some unexpected things happen. I realize I never expect the box. I'm going to try that before we go to the break. Right?
Oh my.
So Colin, you want to go to the
Colin, tell us about your character and how do you like playing that character? How is it similar to who you are personally?
To who I am. Okay, so, well, Prep, I'd say, is a younger version of Colin. So no real challenge in playing that character, really. Prep is known as the Gallus. That is what he is known as. But we might see some changes to that in season 2.
Go settle down?
Maybe. You'll just have to watch and see. We'll just have to watch and see.
And let's hope it's either of the two girls that's in the box application.
No. Mix it up, man. Mix it up. Go. Bring in a third part. Yeah, man. Yeah, you have to keep it going.
In terms of your character, what are some of the challenges you face managing the personalities in the shop, running the business, and all the conflicts that come at you?
Dawn has always been a no-nonsense person, and she's someone who's driven.
So that's similar to you?
That is similar to who I am. She sees the best in persons. Really and truly, Dawn was written for Shola, you know, so. But there's some complex situations that Dawn has found herself in. Okay. And for any Jamaican person who has tried any kind of dealings in entrepreneurship, they know that there are some struggles that come with that. And especially people management is sometimes hard. But Dawn has her head on her body and she knows where she wants to go. And her morals keep her grounded and going in the right direction.
Beautiful.
The amazing thing when you have shows like that on, especially TVJ, a free-to-air station and program, you get a lot of feedback from the Jamaican public.
That is right.
Tell me some of the feedback that you have gotten that has made you go, you know, so I have to be careful when I play the character because people really are connected to it, or hey, I want to go shoot another episode because people are really loving it.
What I can really say is that the Jamaican audience can see the characters in themselves. So, yeah, it's very relatable. The storylines are relatable. There's some type of situations where you can say, oh, I've been there, you know? The woman taking the man, or you taking the woman man, or, you know, just trying to navigate yourself through life. In every way, persons are seeing themselves in the show. So persons are giving some positive feedback. We have not heard any situations where people get buckled or...
I want to hear from you first hand. I mean, what is your experience like?
I mean, the public loves Sizzaz Kut. The public loves the characters and so forth. I've been in situations where I'm hearing people across the street shouting, "Prep, you
right.
da 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 da." People have also brought their parents to meet me. So in all of that, I'm saying that we actors, we've really been doing something good. The show has been doing great, you know, and it's relatable to the wider audience. So.
Yeah. Do you have any new characters for season 2 that you'd like to? Just a little bit lax, man. Not do this.
Just say.
Give me a pinch of it.
Just say yes. Okay.
Yes,
just nod. Just say nod. Just say nod.
Yeah.
Well, so there are new characters. New characters which will bring a new twist to what we have going on. But not gonna say much about them.
Pressured
right.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna advise you to come out and watch season 2 to get all of this.
When?
All right. So season 2 airs Saturday at 9:30 p.m. with a repeat on Thursdays at 11:30 p.m. on TVJ.
Listen, we practice it and we're going to say it together.
Right,
we're practicing.
All right.
After 3.
After
1,
3,
2, 3.
Watch Sizzaz Kut this and every Saturday at 9:30 p.m. Rebroadcast Thursdays at 11:30 p.m. And then
18 plus.
that's right.
18 plus. And where you watch it? Right here on
TVJ.
I love it. And social media?
You can find you can find us on social media. Instagram, it's just always Sizzaz Kut. So Instagram, which other one? TikTok, all the social media platforms, all those, right? And watch us on One Spot. Come and know, so we have a lot of foreign fans as well.
Yes.
And listen, I've sent out a lot of One Spot media links all over the globe.
Nice.
Watch us on One Spot media if you can get fun.
Sizzaz Kut is spelled how?
Sizzaz Kut.
All right.
That's right.
Thank you so much.
Right? Every Saturday right here on TVJ at
9:30 p.m. Rebroadcast Thursdays at 11:30 p.m.
The practice.
That's going to ring in my head now. It's going to ring in
Moving
my
on
head.
from Collins and Colin.
That's right.
That's season 2. You don't want to miss it. It's really good. It's really good.
With that, Daytime Live, we'll be right back, and we have a brand new video from Skip Marley.